Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. You are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to review a line of curly hair product called LUS Love Your Curls. They have a three-step, I guess, package. I got the traveling size. It comes with the shampoo right here. It comes with the conditioner right here and the leave-in conditioner. I've been using these products for about, is it a month yet? You know what, I've been playing on and off with the products, and I am finally ready to do my review. So today was day, I don't even know, because I've been very lazy in washing my hair. But let me tell you, yesterday my hair was nasty as hell. I don't know how I pulled up a day 3, I think. Was it a day 3? Or maybe it was a day 4. I don't know. It was bad. It was not good. Anyways, today was wash day. I washed my hair with the shampoo. What I can tell you about this shampoo is that it is moisturizing. I kind of like it. It didn't leave my hair feeling too dry afterwards. If I compare this shampoo to L.U.S Curly shampoo, I like this one better because it left my hair not so dry. So after doing the shampoo, I rinsed my hair off and I applied the conditioner. Conditioner was great, nothing spectacular. I decided to leave it for the remaining of the shower, and then I finally rinsed it off once I was done with my shower. Now I have wet hair, or what's left of my wet hair, and I'm ready to apply the leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna pair it with my flaxseed hair gel. This is my second bottle out of the batch that I did last month. I am ready to apply the leave-in conditioner. First, I am going to wet my hair again, because I feel like I've been out the shower a little while ago and my hair is starting to dry very fast. So I'm gonna wet my hair, and as usual, my love, I'm going to fast forward through the whole styling process. I don't think I'm gonna finger coil because I'm tired of finger coiling. I'm taking a break from finger coiling, you guys. I'm just gonna shake and dry and diffuse, okay? Okay, so the leave-in conditioner, I am going to put a dime size. This leave-in conditioner is very rich, and with fine wavy to curly hair, you guys, this could weight our hair down. You saw the amount that I put in, plus the fact that I wash my hair with their shampoo and their conditioner that are very hydrating, at least hydrating enough for my hair type. I learned to put a very little bit of leave-in conditioner. Now I'm gonna take my fine comb and I'm just gonna brush through my hair to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. And that is it. I'm touching my hair right now. I can feel the leave-in conditioner. You saw the amount that I put. It was very light, but I can feel it in my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my flaxseed hair gel. I'm gonna try to finish this bottle today. Yeah, probably gonna fast forward, okay? All right, my loves, I am done applying the products on my hair. I am done shaking and scrunching my hair. I am ready to scrunch with my microfiber towel and then go and diffuse. What I can tell you right now is that the smell is really nice. I personally like that smell. It's not for everybody, but it is a stronger smell. It smells more like perfume, kind of. Like a sweet flower type of smell, if that makes any sense. I can't define smell. I can't explain a smell. It's a smell, so sorry. But I like the smell. Again, I put a little bit because I know that this product can weight my hair down if I put too much. I try to stay away from the roots and concentrate the leave-in on the length of my hair. My flaxseed, I started the new batch. It's definitely more of a gel consistency than that watery end of bottle flaxseed that I've been using so far. So I should have a stronger hold, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna scrunch this to take out the excess water and product, and then I'm gonna go diffuse in about half a minute, and then I will reappear in front of you with dry hair. So I'll see you guys in a second. All right, my loves, this is it. I have diffused my hair. I'm trying to part my hair now. Okay, so this is the final result. This one, I'm not sure what's happening here. What is going on? Look at this. Look at this. Hello, what's going on here? Whatever. Okay, so here's my hair. Let me show you. Let me do a little close-up for you guys. I'm not dealing with a lot of frizz right now, but again, I was done diffusing my hair like 3 minutes ago, so it's hard for me to tell you I don't have any frizz. But I have to say, with this kind of product, I don't really experience frizz throughout the day, unlike Curlsmith, who after a few hours my hair will just get super dry and super frizzy. With this product, I never really experienced that. So it is a heavier line of product for fine wavy to curly hair. You definitely have to go super light, but it does a good job at moisturizing your hair throughout the day. Now, I wouldn't use this product on day 2. I would not use this leave-in conditioner on day 2 because it would, if you have fine wavy to curly hair, it will weight your hair down. I actually had my best day 2 hair using this leave-in conditioner on day 1. So if ever you use the leave-in conditioner and you think you went a little too heavy on day 1, on day 2 I would spray my hair with water, right? Don't rinse your hair off under the shower with water. Just spray your hair with water. Add a little bit of your favorite gel. I've been working with flaxseed for about a month now and I love it. Reshape your curls, either finger coil, scrunch, shake, whatever you're in the mood to do, and then diffuse your hair. And I promise you, well, I don't promise you because everybody's different, but personally, I had my best day 2 hair with this product without adding this product on day 2 actually. One more thing I forget to mention, this whole line of product is a clean line of product, which means there's no silicone, no paraben, no sulfate, no phthalates, no what? No mineral oils, no gluten. This is gluten-free, so for those of you who have reaction to gluten, even on your scalp, you know, it's a very clean line of product. For those of you who are following the Curly Girl method, I'm pretty sure that this line of product is approved. And then voila, I think this is all I have to say on this line. I personally like it. I approve it. If you guys want to know, it's Louisa approved. I can't remember the price right now, but I will put it right here once I edit the video. I bought the traveling size just to try the products and make sure that I like them before I buy the full sizes. And I am definitely gonna buy more of these products because I like how my hair responds to it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Let me know if you have tried the product. Let us know, how did it work for you? How are you using the products? And then voila, I will also take your questions for the live stream that I will be doing at the end of the month, although it's going to be New Year's Eve. We'll figure it out, but I will answer most of your questions during that live stream that will be happening at the end of the month, or maybe the beginning of next year. We'll see. And then voila, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.